In this video, we are going to talk about top 5 vlogging camera. So before starting this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Action cameras are small, portable, pocketable, and are usually able to withstand some rough and tumble in the elements. What's more, you can use them with a tripod for improved accuracy, but due to their superb handling, you probably won't ever need to. They almost always have a fixed wide field of view to capture all of the action you see in front of you. Action cams are best for vloggers who are on the move and don't want to carry heavy tripods and accessories. Digital single-lens reflex DSLRs are the gold standard of cameras and offer the best versatility when it comes to capturing both photos and video in their highest quality. DSLRs achieve this quality with large sensors and big interchangeable lenses that can change the field of view. Just be aware that DSLRs are bulky, so if you're looking to whip something out of your pocket at a moment's notice. Here is the list top 5 vlogging camera. Let's start. Number 5. DJI Osmo Action. Let's kick off the best vlogging camera reviews with one of the most affordable models on the list, the DJI Osmo Action. Although its technical specifications resemble those of a plain webcam, this little action recorder is one of the best at what it does. The Osmo Action is DJI's attempt to take the GoPro Hero series head-on, and I must say, they did a brilliant job. Not only does it undercut its GoPro Hero 7 competitor in price, but it also beats it in some features. It matches the GoPro Hero 7 in most technical aspects but has a larger, longer-lasting battery, and a very, very handy color front screen. This provides far better functionality than the GoPro Hero 7, as you can see what you're vlogging while you're filming with the video camera. By most accounts, DJI's electronic image stabilization, called Rocksteady, is arguably just as good as a physical gimbal, which is incredible. It should be noted, however, that when the Rocksteady stabilization is on, there is a slight delay with what the Osmo Action films, and what you see on the viewfinder. Number 4. DJI Osmo Pocket. The only real downside is that the DJI Osmo Pocket action recorder is probably best suited for shooting videos, rather than taking pictures. But given that the V in vlogging is for video, that shouldn't be too much of a worry if you're just starting out. If you are looking for a high-quality, budget camera and you want a vlogging camera that you can take with you even if you don't have a backpack, you can't go wrong with the DJI Osmo Pocket. It's great for everyone on a cash-strapped budget looking to create good quality content without making a dent in their wallets. Number 3. Panasonic Lumix FZ80. If you're in the market for a vlogging camera under $400, it's safe to assume that your budget is fairly limited. Instead of wasting money on popular webcams, it may be a better idea to give Panasonic's Lumix FZ80 a go. Panasonic Lumix FZ80 comes with an incredible set of vlogging-friendly features that you simply cannot miss out on. Its high-resolution viewfinder and low-light performance will let you capture the most surreal images with clarity and vibrancy. What makes Panasonic Lumix a great favorite with the vlogging crew is its portability. The camera comes with USB charging and Wi-Fi connectivity to keep your clicks rolling while you're still on the move. But there are more features that make it a great choice for photography. Number 2. GoPro Hero 9 Black. GoPro Hero 9 Black offers superb 5K video recording and 20-megapixel photos. We're talking dazzling front displays with not one but 2 screens, upping the ante on your vlogging journey. For under $400, GoPro Hero 9 comes with a remarkable suite of vlogging and photography-friendly features. With Hypersmooth 3.0, you get advanced video stabilization, making your clips run as smooth as butter. Not to forget that its powerful features come with an excessively durable design. GoPro has built this one tough, and the camera is waterproof to a staggering 33 feet. It's also compatible with some 30 different mounts and accessories, making it very convenient for vloggers who are always on the move in all terrains. Number 1. Canon EOS M50. Fans of Canon were very excited to see the Canon EOS M50, their first foray into the 4K capable mirrorless market. The EOS M50 fits into Canon's range at the upper end of the mid-market, offering features that you won't find in its lesser-priced models. In other words, the Canon EOS M50 is a camera for enthusiasts, in that it has plenty of features, but not too many to overwhelm you. So this is our today's video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel or hit the bell icon. We will meet again with another interesting topic. Till then, stay safe and stay happy.